Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. My name is Nkem, and if this is your first time coming across my video or coming to my channel, you're welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back. In this video, I'm going to be doing a braided wig. I'm going to show you guys how I made the braided wig and everything you need to know, so stay tuned and keep on watching. I'm using braid extension in color 1 and I bought 2-pack, so I used 2-pack of braid extension for this wig. I'm just going to cut it into 3 for the back section, and then for the front I cut it into 2. And of course you want to stretch out your braid extension if you're not using a pre-stretched hair. And here's a cap I'm using, is the adjustable wig cap. You can use any type of wig cap that you want, but I just love using this wig cap. I don't know why, I just love using this wig cap. And here's the crochet hook I'm using. So I'm just going to start crocheting the back parts of the wig. This wig is like 2 sections. The back is crochet method while the front is the braided part. I'm just going to make this video as detailed as possible, and I hope you guys will find this video helpful. Please do not forget to give it a thumbs up and leave your comment in the comment section. So I'm just crocheting the extension to the wig cap. I'll take a little section of the braid extension and then crochet it to the wig cap. If you want the hair to be too full, then you don't have to give gap while you're crocheting your braid extension to the wig cap.
But I know what my worth is, more than you're giving. What goes up, comes back down. What goes out, comes around. You're so dumb and reckless. You already reckless. What goes up, comes back down. And your day will come around. And I don't wanna fix this. You already wrecked this. Forget.
After crocheting the braid extension to the wig cap, I'm going to braid it and keep it aside. This will make it easy for me when I'm doing the front part, so that the braids, like the hair, will not just be disturbing. So I'm just going to braid it and keep it aside, and then I'm going to do the next part of this wig. I'm using the needle and thread to sew in the lace knit to the wig cap, and after sewing it, I'm going to cut out the wig cap under the lace knit. I just sectioned the extension on a rope, and I'm just going to start braiding now. And if at this point of this video you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and give this video a huge thumbs up. Do not forget to turn on the bell notification, so each time I put out a new video, you get notified when I put out a new video.
Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change, and I feel that you mean it. You mean it. But you're so right, we're losing track of time, buying things online, and it's not like we need them. We don't need them. So can we just slow down? The only thing I'll do is lay
So this is what I have after pinning the braids to the wig cap. Here's what the back look like. I'm going to crochet more hair to it. That is if the back is too scanty. That is why I left that space there. So I'm just going to start sewing the braids to the wig cap. I'm using my needle and thread to sew in my braids to the wig cap.
We were on the run, rocking around the clock. Now all we need is right here in front of us. In front of us. So can we just slow down? The only thing I'll do is lay here next to you. We need to slow down. Embrace the love we found. For you and I were safe and sound. Can we just slow down? And we just slow waste another day. I don't know how to play. You say we need a change. Feel that you mean it. But you're so right. We're losing track of time. Buying things online. It's not like we need them. Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change, and I feel that you mean it. You mean it. But you're so right, we're losing track of time. Buying things online, and it's not like we need them. We don't need them. So can we just slow down? The only thing I'll do is lay here next to you. We need to slow down. Embrace the love we found. For you and I were safe and sound. And we just slow down. For you and I were safe and sound. We were on the run, rocking around the clock. Now all we need is right here in front of us. In front of us. So can we just
After sewing the braids to the wig cap, I'm going to dip it in hot water.
The only thing I'll do is lay here next to you. We need to slow down. Embrace the love we found. For you and I were safe and sound.
I'm using my crochet hook to put the beads on the wig, and after which I'm just going to use my lighter, use the scissors to cut it first before I will use my lighter to burn the tip.
Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change, and I feel that you mean it. You mean it. But you're so right, we're losing track of time, buying things online, and it's not like we need them. We don't need them.
So guys, I'm going to do the baby hair off camera, and this is what we have. I just crocheted the hair to the front part of the wig, so I'm just going to trim the tip of the coil so that those straight parts will no longer be there. So guys, this is the final look of this hair. Hope you guys find this video helpful. Please give it a thumbs up and leave your comment in the comment section. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel if you've not subscribed already, and turn on the bell notification so you get notified each time I put out a new video. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.